So next up we have Eugenia, or whatever it's called. It's biscuit and molta crema di latte aroma di vanille. This sounds like Spanish.
Maybe it is.
Let's have a look. Romania.
It's Romania.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's interesting.
Bonus Romanian biscuits. Right, so what are those Romanian biscuits like, boys?
Two eating his, I'm going to eat mine.
They look like this.
Do you call these?
Biscuits with cream inside.
They are like smiley face.
Which I don't think they do anymore.
But
Okay.
then you giving up one?
Moving on. We are moving on to the Alibi Max.
Oh, I'm mad.
Let's check this is Polish. It looks like it's in Polish. Yeah, Poland. There we go.
And they're so tiny.
Coconut.
Mmm.
Maybe this is Poland's version of Bounties.
Maybe. It's like a wafer
What's
inside.
What's
With
it?
coconut. It's quite nice. It's
Oh,
alright.
I tagged with one before.
Yeah. So thumbs up. Thumbs up from Nana as well. Prince Polo XXL. Smack or Zichio or the Chowi. Oh, again, it's by Mondelez. Okay, let's try. Okay.
So now try one of these. Have you liked it?
I do.
Nana says it's like a timeout, which she's right. It's good.
Mm.
Nice.
It's like a wafer.
Mm-hmm.
It is a wafer.
Very nice. Thumbs up. Next up, the baby is asleep. Next up, we have the chalwa, królewska, a smaku. I wonder what smak or smaku means. Vanillowian. I'm guessing that's a vanilla. Look, there's a picture of vanilla on it. This looks cute. Greek halva. Look at it. So cool.
Yeah, it's nice.
I tried some. I'm not sure.
What do you think of that? Interesting texture, isn't it?
I need it one from that.
One thumb. It's just like halva.
How? One
Elijah, your mouth. You need to wipe your mouth, babe.
One thumbs up.
One thumbs up from
It's
Elijah.
not.
And you still need to wipe your mouth.
It,
Okay, sorry, I'm interrupting your analysis. Go
it
for it.
doesn't look like there's like crunchy bits in there, but it's like when you bite it,
It's really
it
soft.
just looks like it's like shortbread. But when you bite it, it feels like there's like bits of peanut in there.
It's interesting, isn't it? Interesting texture, halva.
Mm.
So next we have Prince Polo XXL Classic.
Okay.
Go.
Although it looks like bricks on the bottom.
It does look like bricks on the bottom.
Oh.
So this, again, was a wafer.
Strong.
It's quite strong and not very sweet. Dark chocolate. What thumbs do you give that? You like it? Jude?
Mm.
Thumbs to the side a bit. Not sure. This one is a blue Prince Polo XXL Milsine Milix blah 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 blah. I don't know. I can't speak Polish. Again, let's try it. I reckon that one is milk chocolate.
And the other one.
I think that one's my favourite.
Semi-milk.
The other one's maybe plain.
And then the other one's really dark.
You're struggling to get all the bits in. They don't slice very well. What thumbs do you give that one? Mummy gives thumbs up. Up. Sideways and up. Cool. Next we have this one, Mila.
Oh, no, we haven't tried that one.
And this one is also
wafer.
Uh-oh. This one is Slovenska.
What does that mean?
It means, I don't think it's technically Polish. Okay, we're going with this one now. It's kind of this texture, but it's like got cream in the middle. It's quite nice. But this from Slovakia,
It's starting.
not Poland.
It's starting. It smells like the cream cheese smell.
No, it's not cream cheese. You like it.
It's
Go
not
for it. It's like buttercream. No, lips closed. I don't know how you do when you do that, Elijah. When you're like a connoisseur in tasting things. Like a wine person when they slur. You're like a little chipmunk. What do you think of that one? This is going to be a long video. What do you think? This one a hard decision. This one was quite good. I'd get this one again. I think it was plain chocolate on top.
It tastes like a. It basically tastes like a normal wafer.
Okay, cool beans. Moving on.
Caramel.
So next we've got Milka caramel, but I mean Milka's everywhere. I thought it was Austrian, but the address on the back is Polish.
Well, I chose to get that. Finally, a caramel one and not one that's wafer. What's that?
Milka caramel.
Inside, the big slab is where the caramel is.
Yeah.
It's a home for the caramel.
The slabs look like this, and the caramel is inside. Is that good? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Thumbs... Oh. Not as good as dairy milk caramel, is it? Definitely not. Okay, next we have... Kroka Milkstina. I think I'm doing worse with this than I did with the Norwegian. So apparently it's cream fudge. It looks like this. Then you open it. And it comes in a little package
It's
like this.
crunchy fudge.
And it is kind of crunchy. It looks like this. It's like a cross between honeycomb and fudge. A bit like tablet, but not.
Nice.
Very strong.
Dry.
Strong. You don't have to eat it all.
I'm putting it down for a second. By deleting it all.
I don't know if these are little jokes or something inside. That's cute. Did yours say the same?
I think so.
No, it says something different.
What does it say?
We'll have to use Daddy's translate tool to see what they say.
What does it say?
We don't know yet. It's not working. Daddy will come back and tell us. No, not working.
What's the same?
Taking a long time.
I don't want to.
So what's that? No, you don't have to eat the rest. What thumbs up do you give it?
I give it
Mummy gives it that. Especially when the UK has so much, many more yummier fudges than that. The texture is just mad.
one thumbs up and a half. One thumbs up and a half.
We live in like fudge county, so we're hard contestants for the fudge tasting. I don't know if contestant is the right word, but there we go. Anyway, moving on. Elijah's face. Wrong way up, we've got Zozoli, Hello, Zello, rainbow strips. They're just like rainbow belts you get in the UK. You probably shouldn't have bothered getting these. Tastes exactly the same to me. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Up. I think that was a given.
Just a bit different.
Okay, and what was your favourite of all the Sugar Fest and Savoury Fest that we had?
The savoury, the pate. What?
Pate.
What? No, the
Very good.
savoury, the sausage.
The sausage. Mine was the Pizza Ghost crisps.
And
What about you, Jude? What was your favourite thing?
The sweet thing. And for the sweet thing was probably the fudge.
Fudge, really?
Maybe not fudge.
Wow. It can be the fudge if that's what
It's
you
a
like.
cross between three things. One, the bunny bear. Two, the fudge. Or three, the rainbow strip. I'm gonna have. My favorite probably the bunny bear.
Noisy.
That tastes nice to begin with, but.
You're not going to eat the rest of your yogurt.
Oh yeah. Whoa!
You ate it all already. Okay.
Things died.
Is it
Died of yogurt.
What is it?
It did.
Oh, cool. Okay, so thanks for watching
Thanks for
our
watching.
long sugary video. We're going to go do a jog now, so we'll wear off all the sugar. Join us next time.